Newton's Three Laws of Physics by Jayson and Sydney. To begin, we will start with Newton's first law of motion. Newton's first law states that an object at rest stays at rest, and an object in motion stays in motion unless acted upon an unbalanced force. So, this object will not move until a force is applied by Jayson. Next, we have Newton's second law of motion. Newton's second law states that the acceleration of an object is dependent upon two variables. Number one, the mass of an object, and number two, the net force acting upon the object. To demonstrate this law, the next video will illustrate a 25 kilogram weight added to the sled that will result in needing more force to allow for it to accelerate. To sum up Newton's second law of motion, it can be said the greater the mass of an object equals the greater the force it will need to accelerate. To find the amount of force needed, Newton's equation F equals ma can be utilized. Lastly, we have Newton's third law of motion. Newton's third law of motion states that for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. To make this more simple, Jayson pushing on the sled equals the sled pushing on Jayson.